Good morning. Here we are at Joseph Lewis's property. His claim number is 208-2R965R, 3774 Evans Trailway, Beltsville, Maryland, 2075. So it is currently 12:05 here, and today is April 21st. It's a Monday, and here we will be trying to do an attempt repair, but in order to show that it's not possible, there are multiple damages here, and all throughout the roof. If you can see all of them, like these are all damages caused by hail, and they're all over the roof. It's not possible to repair it, and we can't do multiple repairs in one spot. It'll damage the whole roof, and doing multiple repairs would just lead to the rest of the shingles getting damaged. And this vent over here is covered, and it has multiple hail damages, if you can see from here. And you can see here, we have another vent that has multiple hail damages, if you can see right here and here. It's a little bent in, and with the ridge cap, if we try to do a repair here, it would be necessary to remove the ridge cap in order for us to repair the shingles below, and we can't do that because removing the ridge cap would damage the shingles on both sides, meaning it would lead to further shingles getting damaged, and a repair wouldn't wouldn't be possible. And same thing on this side. It would be one here and one over there, which would not be, we just can't do a repair on it. We have another one here, more damages here. We have damages on the edges, if you can see. A piece of shingle has blown away. We can't really do anything about that. So it's practically the whole roof that's damaged. We can't do a repair. A full replacement is required. We have more damage here, and if you can see, the shingles are already cracked. See right here, and they're starting to crack even further in. We have more here. This other piece of shingles missing. It's too damaged. So we're gonna try to do the attempt repair right now. Okay, so if you can see, the measurement of the current shingle right now is 36 and a quarter. And if we measure the shingle that is currently on the roof right now, it is 35 and 3/4. So the new shingle is bigger than the one on the roof. So based on the size, we can't do the repair. Okay, and when removing the shingles, when we try to remove the shingles, okay, here we are. We're trying to remove it. It's not possible. See, removing. Now that we're trying to do the attempt repair, multiple grains are falling off, and they just keep falling, causing more damage to the shingle. Okay, and as you can see, when we lift this, it damages the other shingles, meaning we would have to lift more than three shingle pieces, and it would just damage all the other ones around it, and we just can't do the repair. And see, and with the nail, trying to lift it up. So trying to lift the nail, this part is starting to get bent, and more grains are falling off. It's starting to crack. We can't do it. Okay, and removing the nails, if you can see, all the sand that's falling off. So you can see, we're trying to remove one singular shingle, and it's damaging all the other parts around it. Multiple grains are falling off. It's getting really damaged. If you can see right now, see, we put this piece of paper under it, and if you can see all those grains falling off, it just keeps damaging the shingle even more. We just can't do a repair. See, you can see all these all these grains falling off, we can't do a repair. Okay, so we'll try to remove the shingle now, but as you can see, it just keeps damaging all the rest of the shingles. See, so many grains are falling off, and like you mentioned before, it's just one singular shingle that's being taken off, being removed. See, this is the damaged shingle that we're trying to remove. See, if you can see, all the rest are all damaged. And we'll be trying to put the new shingle in and as you can see, the shingle isn't matching. They're not the same. The size isn't the same. The length of it wide isn't the same either. The height. This one's a little longer than this one.
Okay. Okay, ahora este hoyo, quedó.
See, and as you can see, this is where the previous nail was. Now it's exposed to even more damage, water leaking in, and here's another one from the previous shingle that was on. And so we can't put nails in the same hole. Building codes don't allow us to do that, which would lead to further damage to the whole roof. If you can see, there's a flap in this now. Since we had to lift it up to remove the shingle that was under it, and so now it's exposed to more damage, more wind, and yeah, we just can't do it. It would lead to future leakages.